We're going to start this video off today with a pretty scene down here. This guy down here is fly fishing, and maybe those guys up there too. There's trout in these streams, and we're here at Forge Mill Road. Kind of a pretty place. Of course, the sun goes behind the cloud here, so we'll go over here and see what the other side looks like here. As you can see here on this side, there's part of the old mill right there, where they had it dammed up, and pretty little falls over the rocks there. Forge Mill. Okay, let's go on down this road up here. Pretty country up here. Thought I'd try to get a little video in today. Hadn't been making much videos. I made one here a few weeks ago and found out I had violated a bunch of copyrights on it, and so I took it right back off of Facebook. And it's kind of sad. I'd worked hard on that thing and didn't realize by reading out of a magazine that I was violating somebody's copyright. But that was why it was on there and disappeared. This is a pretty Saturday afternoon, early October. I think this is Saturday. I think Monday is Columbus Day, I believe it is. This is called a Loving Road. I've taken many videos on this road. I enjoy riding this road. This road is sort of, it's not all that curvy, it just sort of meanders along down through here. Nice homes on both sides usually, and kind of a pleasant little road to ride on. was wanting to make a video about on my GW200 today, but I've been having a couple of little health issues, and right now I can't take the bouncing around of the GW200 on the dirt trails and stuff. So I just thought I'd get out here and go for a little ride, maybe make a little video, which may or may not get put on Facebook. I work several hours and put these videos together, and then I look at them, and sometimes I just don't like what comes out, and I just discard the whole thing, delete it. The video I deleted before, and I've only deleted maybe 2 or 3 videos in the 11 years I've been doing this, 10 or 11 years, was about the witches in the church down there, and I thought it was a pretty interesting video. I worked several hours on it, putting it together. And, oh well, that's just the way it goes sometimes. It never occurred to me that if I had showed the magazine, which I did in the video, and read excerpts from the magazine, I was violating a copyright, even though I don't get paid for anything on here. Such is life in the big city. I had hoped over the years, before I retired from making videos, that I was going to get in 1,000 videos. I'm on 859 or something like that now. I'd have to look and see. It means I got another 140 some odd videos to go yet. But I don't know. I don't know. I think we're getting ready to pass Harley Hunter Lane right up here. Let's see if this is it here. Oh, that's river. That's Beaver Den. Maybe it's on up the top of the hill here, if I remember correctly. Harley Hunter Lane. What about that road? Excuse me. A private road. It's probably referring to someone with the last name of Harley and someone with the last name of Hunter. But if you're a motorcycle riding guy and a scooter riding guy like me, why, you think of that as Harley Davidson, I'm sure. Well, living up in these North Georgia mountains, I'll tell you I did. Great roads to ride up here. Just any which way you want to go, it's a nice road to ride on. Right here on the left is Tater Hill, if I remember correctly. Let's see here. That's T-A-T-E-R Hill. There it is. I don't know if the camera will pick it up or not. But another interesting name. You got to wonder where they come up with some of these names at. Nice little valley up through here. Corn's drying out there. I guess it'll be ready to be harvested pretty soon. Just noticed my turn signal was on there about a mile after I made that turn. It was still on. And you would think that, you know, self-canceling turn signals have been on motorcycles since the, you know, I know since the early 90s. My 92 Goldwing had self-canceling turn signals. I don't think it costs all that much, so, you know, it really ought to be mandatory on a motorcycle to have self-canceling turn signals. It might cause you to have a wreck, you know, there's somebody to turn in front of you because they think that you're turning, or who knows what. They got to have other silly things, you know, like what's the distance from here to there, and how bright the bright light's supposed to be, and things like that, and things that you really need on a bike, like self-canceling turn signals. Well, they just ignore that, you know. Strange world, isn't it? Isn't that a pretty sight over there? Yes, it is. That's Notley Lake, and this is Notley Dam right here. I've taken quite a few videos right here over the years. We'll stop here for a little peek. Anybody want to race? No, see, everybody chickens out. I say 200 whole cc's and they chicken out on me. It's a pretty place here.